Hi, my sister. Are you fine?
Hello,
Ha-
I'm good.
Are you fine?
Yes, I'm good. How are you, sir?
I'm also good. Welcome to TKSR.
I'm happy to be here.
I'm
I'm
also
very happy to be
I'm also happy to host you today. Ne?
here.
Don't be nervous. Don't be. I want that energy. Oh, someone lied to you that a lady will be hosting you. Ne? No, she ran away yesterday. After the interview, she ran away. She was like, Isaiah, today take over. So before we start, ne, please tell the listeners, who are you? Please introduce yourselves to the listeners. Where you come from? Why are you with us today? What are you going to do? What are you doing? Your name, your age, all the info that you got for us.
Um, greetings, DJ, greetings, listeners, and my fellow contestants, and my dear director and founder of Miss Golden Hearts. My name is Zazi Seyibonkwe, and I am a proud finalist for Miss Golden Hearts South Africa 2026. I am a young woman who is passionate about leadership, community service, youth empowerment, and promoting inclusivity and diversity.
Mm, mm. That is that all.
I
Go deeper. Go deeper.
I'm not different. I come from the dusty streets of Ngolo in my plus. I'm representing Eastern Cape in East London, or in its new name, Gugombo, and I am 16 years of age.
16. Okay. Yo, so, oh, tell us here, ne, what inspired you to join Miss Golden Heart South Africa?
um, what inspired me to join Miss Golden Heart South Africa was the opportunities to be part of a platform that values leadership, community service, and personal growth. I wanted to challenge myself, to step out of my comfort zone and become a better version of myself. I also saw it as an opportunity to use my voice to inspire young people and make a positive difference in my community.
Hmm, So, since it's Youth Day, ne, what are you doing to give back? What are you going to do to give back to the community next week,
But I,
Tuesday? Yes. What are you planning to do?
honestly, I am still not sure, but I plan to give back to my community, try to inspire my peers, young people, the youth actually, to believe in themselves. Because if you don't believe in yourself, who's going to believe in yourself?
Hmm,
Kakade, Nelson Mandela. Okay. Kakade, we would, we, we grow up being told that believe in yourself. You have to be who you are. So I'll try to spread that awareness, try to inspire young people to be true to themselves and never let anybody let pull them down.
hmm, hmm. You are also from Mthatha, ne?
No, so I'm from East London
East,
in
okay.
Eastern Cape.
Eastern Cape. Oh. Okay, okay. I, I. Let me carry on with the questions. Let me carry on. Me, I'm here to ask questions. Feel free to also ask, ne?
Yes.
Yeah, feel free. So, what challenges did you face during the competition, and how did you overcome them?
So, okay, let's say one of the biggest challenges that I faced was balancing my personal responsibilities with the demands of the competition. Like there were times where things felt very overwhelming, but I reminded myself to focus on my goal and manage my time efficiently.
Okay. So how do you? Sorry.
Continue the question.
No,
It's fine.
continue. Continue.
Mas, you also asked me how I overcame these challenges.
Yes.
Well, I overcame these challenges by staying determined, trusting trusting the process, and reminding myself why I started this journey in the first place.
Okay. Like that.
Yes.
So, what is your coach giving you guys? Like the energy, the energy. What are you drinking? What are you eating?
She's not giving us anything less than motivation.
Okay.
The pageant itself motivates us to have energy. I mean, Miss Golden Heart South Africa, that's a big name by itself. So, what type of contestants will we be if we don't give the same energy as the brand represents?
The brand itself is big. The brand itself.
Yes.
Yeah, I can tell. I know. I can testify. I can go deeper. I can preach, you know. So when it comes to personal growth and empowerment, ne? How has
Yes.
pageantry experience shaped your confidence and outlook on your life?
How has pageantry
Shape,
contributed to my confidence?
yes, and outlook on your life.
Um, in a very, very big way. Me, when I was young, I used to not believe in myself, very self aware, self conscious of what type of person I am. Pageantry opened me up. It made me step out of my comfort zone to experience life, to communicate with different people, and understand that we come from different platforms. So we have different stories to tell, different backgrounds. And I've also learned that um, communication is key in pageantry. Communication is key. Preparation is also key to in pageantry. So that is what builds me up in terms of empowerment.
That makes sense. No wrong answer here. It makes sense. So, what does empowerment mean to you?
What does empowerment mean to you?
Yes.
Well, empowerment means like helping people recognize their values, strengths, and potential. To me, it's about uplifting others while also growing yourself. I I embody empowerment by encouraging people to believe in themselves, supporting those around me, and using my voice to spread positivity and hope.
Someone.
I believe that I believe that empowered individuals can create empowered communities.
Mm, mm, mm. Actually, you're not giving me short answers. You are or sentence. You are giving me paragraphs. You are prepared, ne?
Because these are the things that I stand for. So I will try to speak up for the things that I advocate for and stand for
Yo,
to make a difference.
I feel attacked now. What into fast? What into bokot? You now you are attacking me. Nyenzeni, nyenzeni. Yeah, ne? I. So, when it comes to the community and social impact, how did you plan to use your platform to make difference in your community?
To make difference in my community.
Um, how do you plan to use your platforms to make a difference in your community?
Uh, well, there are many different ways that I can use to make a difference in my community. My plan is to use my platform to raise awareness about important social issues, encourage youth development, and support community initiatives. I would I would like to continue participating in projects such as donating, giving back to my community, and outreach programs to assist those in need. And it's my goal, what I stand for, is to inspire young people to believe in themselves and show them that they have the power to create a positive change in their community.
Oh, wow, fun. Oh, wow. So, which social causes are closest to your heart, and how do you advocate for them?
Which social causes are close to my heart?
Yes.
Okay.
And how do you
Okay.
advocate for them?
Well, the causes I would say are close to my heart are youth empowerment and diversity, exclusivity, and support for communities such as the LGBTQ plus community. I believe everyone deserves to feel accepted, respected, and valued. That is why I advocate for these awareness campaigns, promoting awareness, encouraging open conversations, supporting community initiatives, and using my platform to spread a message and acceptance and equality.
Bus after bus, pass after pass, confidence booster. Wenzani lo mntwana? Wenzani umntwana? Hmm?
Nothing with preparation. Preparation
Ah.
is key.
Ay,
Preparation is
wenzani?
key.
Hmm? You're waiting for this day, ne?
I've been waiting for to be given a platform to stand to speak about what I advocate for and what I stand for. So this is my opportunity to represent my advocacies.
And you are doing that exactly. You are killing it, bus after bus. If you are not inspired, I don't know. I don't know. Mm-mm. So, when it comes to future visions, um, what are you Okay, let me put it in this way. Ne? Where do you see
Yes.
yourself next year, ne? With Miss Golden Heart South Africa?
Eh, you see, I don't want to sound too confident, but I am confident. So I see myself holding Crown Lady since I'm part of the teen. I see myself holding Crown Lady and being the teen queen of Miss Golden Heart South Africa. But not only wearing the crown, making a change in my community and many different communities.
Mm, 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 mm. Any upcoming events?
Upcoming events.
Yes, that
Okay.
you'll be attending.
I wouldn't say I do have upcoming events. Only the workshops that we have with the previous leaders, the previous queens, which is an aspiration because they are inspiring us to reach to the point that they are in. So yeah, but those aren't like events, but they make a huge difference in my journey as being the finalist for Miss Golden Heart South Africa.
Okay. So how can I join Miss Golden Heart South Africa? I want to join
How
them.
can you join?
Yes.
You
Yes. Okay.
ah
I have a daughter. I have a daughter. For example, I have a daughter. She wants to join.
yes.
So how can I register my daughter? It's an example.
Example, you
Mm.
can like go to the social media platforms and speak to our director. They have their numbers there in the social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and reach out to our directors and founders so you can be a contestant. But currently, since the spots are all filled, there are no spots available. Maybe she can try next year.
Okay. She can try next year, ne?
You can try next year if she's within the age.
Age range.
No, the age range is 25. You must be 25 and less.
Okay. Minimum.
Minimum
Yes.
7
From
years.
7 years. From age 7 to 25, ne?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So what kind of legacy do you hope to leave behind?
What type of legacy?
What?
Oh,
Mm.
what type of legacy I would like to leave behind? Well, the legacy that I would love to leave behind is that I hope to leave the legacy of kindness, service, and empowerment. I hope, I want people to remember me as someone who used her voice to uplift others and create opportunities for those who needed support. Most importantly, I want to inspire people to embark their true selves and never stop believing in their true potential.
Mm, 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 mm. Hayi, lo mntwana sana. Yo, hayi ngizothetha manje. Ngizothetha. So, this one is the last question. Ne? What message will you give to young people, ne, who dream of following um the same footsteps as yours?
Um, the message I would like to give to young people is to fear, never let fear to stop you from pursuing your dreams. Believe in yourself, guys. Believe in yourself. Work hard and remain true to who you are. And I know there will be challenges along the way, but every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Remember that your uniqueness is your greatest strength. And with determination, confidence, and perseverance, you can achieve anything you set your mind to.
Say that again. Hi, Warren. What are you doing? Hey, say that. Come. Repeat. Some more.
Ah,
Ingoma emnandi yaphindo.
you need to do that.
Please. Spicy. You got this, girl.
What briefly what I said,
Hmm.
the message that I like to leave to people, to young people, is to never let fear stop you from reaching your true potential. The challenges that you face, the challenges that you face along the way are just opportunities. They are huge opportunities that will allow you to learn and grow and become a better version of yourself.
I'm a 2K. I'm a 2K. I'm a 2K. They are cooking, these kids. These kids are cooking. I'm a 2K are cooking. Yo. Hi. Let me not say much. Let me not say much. So, if I want to follow you on social media, how can I support?
So,
Social media
how can
handles.
you support? Well, even the listeners, please support me. My name on both Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok is Zazi Seyibonkwe. So can you follow me on my journey to reaching crown lady? Follow my journey. Thank you.
Please also follow her. Please follow her. I will also do the same after. I will make sure I
Thank
do the same. And I will also vote if I have to vote.
Yes, please
Yeah.
very much. It will make a huge difference in my journey.
Indeed. Indeed, we have to support. Thanks for joining us, ne?
Thank you to you. Thank you for having me, actually. Thank you.
Ka Setswana. We don't know Tswana, you know, ne? Go leboga rona. No. South Africa is playing today. Ne?
How?
The game, the World Cup.
Oh, today, Bafana Bafana, yes.
Yes, Bafana is playing. Leave a message. Yo. I almost forgot the important part. After I'm releasing you after.
What message should I leave? Well, I'm grateful for the opportunity. Very grateful, ne? For you for giving me the opportunity, Miss Golden Heart South Africa, for giving me the platform to grow, serve my community, and inspire others. No matter the outcome, I hope to continue being a voice of positivity, inclusivity, and meaningful change.
Check.
Again, I thank you for the great opportunity.
I'm still not releasing you. You didn't give me my answer. Not for the listeners. For Bafana
So,
Bafana. Wish them all the best. Ne?
I wish the team all the best, and we know they're gonna come back with the cup.
You see?
But get all the best and congratulations in advance.
Danko, that's what I was looking for. Now you answered my question. We can close. Sharp, ne?
Sure. Thank you for having me.
Thanks. Yeah. Hey, Eastern Cape. Eastern Cape got talent. People are busy. Children are cooking. Ama 2K are cooking. I let me close. Please support her on social media. If you can find her, please go to Facebook, Instagram, search Miss Golden Heart, then they'll Miss Golden Heart South Africa, then they'll direct you to the right person. What a confidence! They are all talented. I don't know what they are drinking, these kids, the energy drinks they are drinking, but the confidence is there. The confidence is there. Thanks for joining us. Wishing Bafana all the best. I'm a Sundowns fan, but wishing them all the best. May the Lord be with them. Mina ngiyayivala le nto ngifuna bheka ibholo then start streaming. Thanks for joining us. It's your boy, it's your host, TK the Poet. If you tune in late, I will make sure I upload the interview on YouTube. Then you'll go there and listen. Please don't forget to subscribe. Danko.